Oh yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready, because you know what time it is. It's Beamer Boy time. That's right, the legendary Beamer Boys are back in business, ready to put those toes to the fire and the feet to the pavement. And you know I'm a Beamer Boy, so every time I see a Beamer Boy police chase, I get excited. Can the boys in blue calm these wild, crazy Beamer Boys down, or will the Beamer Boys take those luxurious toes, light them on fire, and stomp the devil out and make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action. Let's get sinister. Shout out to LRN Cash. Much love, my boy. They say this guy is chasing a BMW. He's chasing it because he said it had a loud exhaust. Where's the BMW at? He definitely got a V8. I think this is a Tahoe. I don't think this is a Charger. I think this is a Tahoe he in. He ain't catching no Beamer in no Tahoe. That definitely ain't happening. You not catching no BMW in no Tahoe, bro. Pass this chase off to somebody else. Okay, he got his lights on. Yeah, but do. Body on earth, foot in hell. Here come my luxurious toes, devil. I hope you're ready. Even though we can't see him. I ain't saw no BMW, but he say he chasing one. We gotta take his words for it. He might be seeing ghosts, but we gotta take his word for it. Which way did he go, Scooby? Oh, he said there he is. Where is he at? I don't see him. He gotta have eagle eyes, cause I can't see no BMW. Unless this is the one right here. Is this him right here? So we know it's a black BMW. We have yet to see this black BMW, but we know it's black. Doing 139 miles an hour. Diabolical. Hold on, I'm gonna switch my reactor up to you. There y'all go. Still can't see it. $122, $128. He going awfully fast in a residential, man. 100 in a resi is diabolical. $113, $118, $121, $124. Why is he going this fast? I'm gonna keep it 100, y'all. I ain't seen the BMW yet. I've seen a lot of sightseeing, but I ain't seen no BMW. Is this Little Rock? Is that him? Nah, that's a Volkswagen. Damn, Ratatouille! You see how quick he ratted? Ain't nobody tell you to tell him that he went on Broadway, Ratatouille? Oh, this is another angle from another cop right here. Dang! Did you hear that BMW? That's a V8 for sure. That's crazy. He getting busy. He got that booty in the air like a stripper. He getting busy. Did you hear that V8, y'all? That was crazy. It might be over, man. Y'all ain't catching him. He moving. He in another dimension. He gone. He disappeared that fast? He pulled a dark-winged duck blabbering blabberskites. Y'all know nothing about dark-winged duck? Robo Duck, I think that was his name. That's crazy. He disappeared like that. He was moving though. Did you see how loud it was? That was a V8 twin turbo. Probably a F10. 550. M5. It's over, man. Hit the 1022. It's a wrap. 1022, man. Go make a donut run. Go get me some Speedway donuts. Go to the gas station, man. Get your donut, man. It's cool. You ain't got nothing to put your head down for. Legendary, man. Them Beamer boys is a beast. We only saw him one time, and this is the last time we saw him. Meet me in the comments. Now that was some nasty, nasty, nasty work right there. Man, that BMW was not playing no games. I'm pretty sure that was an F10 550. Let's just call it an M5 with the twin turbo V8. Big boy, no playing no games. Got busy, didn't waste no time. We saw the BMW one time. That's right, one time. Man, he was chasing the BMW the whole time. He was chasing it. He could see it because he definitely described it. He said it was a black BMW. And he definitely could see it, but I couldn't see it. I mean, I know I'm getting old, but I couldn't see it. My eyes must be getting bad by the day. And look at Ratatouille right here. Look at Ratatouille. Ratatouille, he went on Broadway. Shut your telling ass up. Listen, y'all. Did you hear that? No, I don't think y'all heard that. Let me go back again. Listen to this V8. Insane. And by the time the cop turned around, the car had disappeared. So I can only imagine how fast he or she was going. Definitely in the high hundreds. I would put on a limb and say it probably was doing 150, 160. Gone. Look, the cop don't even see him. No, he don't even know which way the person went or anything. I think they jumped on the highway. I think they jumped on 30. If you ask me, they jumped on 30, Interstate 30. But he was moving. Gone. Out of there. Beamer boys don't play. But man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. The Beamer boys made quick work of the boys in blue today. I told you those legendary Beamer boys said the Moparians will not outshine them in 2026. They get nasty with it. Put his feet all the way down to Hades. They on fire. Got busy quick, but like I said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, and if you got a little bit of time and a little bit of energy and a little bit of kindness, drop me some of those hype points in my Avengers cup.
But yeah, big shout out to the Beamer boys. Like I said, man, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Let me leave y'all with some positivity.
Don't waste no time. That's what I'm saying. You hear what I said? Don't waste any time. Just like this Beamer boy did, don't waste no time with your life. Time is precious. You can't get it back. You cannot get the time that you waste doing stupid things back. Don't waste time. All action. Make the best of every day. Try to get something done productive. Try to invest in yourself every day because we don't have the time to waste. We only get like 75 to 100. It's the tops. You'd be lucky if you get more than that. So that's not a lot of time. I'm closer to the end than the beginning. I'm 40, so I'm closer to the end than the beginning. But like I said, man, just don't waste no time. Be productive in life. Strive to get to your dreams. Catch some of your dreams. Don't just chase your dreams. Make sure you catch some of your dreams. But with that being said, we do not condone running from the boys in blue. Absolutely not. But if you are going to turn your diabolicism all the way to the max, can you please, while you getting your demon wings, can you please get you a BMW M5 competition?